This is the Vw Arteon. This is brand new to the US market. This is going to replace the CC, which has been on sale since 2009 in America. And just taking a quick look at it, it is a very sharp looking car. I think this is going to do really well for Volkswagen. This is the R-Line, so you get the nice big wheels on this particular car. It's got a very fancy yellow paint, as you can see here. This car is locked, so I can't really check inside, but I'm going to give you the best shot I can show you. Very aggressive seats, nice leather upholstery. This dashboard is borrowed from the Passat that we don't get here. That's the one that's used in Europe, so they're using that. So it's kind of similarities between that European Passat, but that's a much better vehicle than what they produce here for the States. So this car is going to handle a lot nicer than what we have. Very aggressive looking car. It's very, very nice. This kind of questions why someone probably want to get an Audi, because this has got all the same features and you don't have to spend all that kind of crazy money on the car. And they have a 6-year 72,000 mile warranty on the vehicle, so that's a nice little peace of mind to have on this car. And it's very sharp, very, very impressive. Has a huge sunroof on this one right here. Very aggressive. Now this should be coming out, I think, by summer, if I'm not mistaken. And it's about time that they replace the CC. So once again, this is the Volkswagen Arteon. Please check out my other videos. Sub, share, like, and I hope everybody's having a great day. All right, take care.